What's going on, everybody? I'm Eric. I am Fatfish Designz. This is my second attempt at a What's Cutting Wednesday video for today. I tried to do a time lapse on a full sheet that we were cutting. It lasted 6 seconds. Boo on that. But anyway, we got another sheet on the machine. The color today is blue, white, blue. Working on a desk for a local business here in town. Let's get into it. So what the machine is cutting right now will be the very top of the desk. It's about 70 inches long. It'll be a piece of 1/2 inch blue, white, blue. It'll be double layered, so it'll essentially be 1 inch thick for the whole entire top. Got the rest of the pieces on the workbench behind me. Maybe we'll try to get a video of it all be put together. But this is my Shop Sabre CNC Pro 408. She's just throwing chips. See the rooster tail that it's throwing chips about 2.5, almost 3 feet. That's how much force is behind the bit, running 180 inches per minute. We'll cut this in 3 passes just because we're looking for a super high quality edge finish. Yeah, this desk will be super durable, waterproof, weatherproof. The sides of the desk will have a logo engraved on it. Try to get some recording of that in the next day or so. Kept the plastic on this side of the sheet, so when I put it back in the rack, it doesn't get scratched up, stays nice and clean. These will be some strips that will go on the bottom of the desk to make it 1 inch thick and give me something to fasten the lower section to the upper section. Obviously, we got the dust collector turned off for your viewing pleasure. You just see how powerful the machine is. Got one more of those strips to cut right beside it. That'll be it for this sheet. But the chips, they look like little pieces of rice. It's kind of cool. Little chips of rice, it looks like. Really easy to clean up. That material's got a little static in it. Dust likes to collect where the static is. Nothing crazy. It'll clean up real good. That was a pretty good guess on my end, where I cut the sheet versus where the last bit of material is going to be cut. But the machine is on its last pass right now. We got about another minute or so. This whole program will be wrapped up. It took all of about 8 minutes to cut all these parts on this sheet, which is pretty quick. So if you made it this long in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching What's Cutting Wednesday with Fatfish Designs. If you see this logo, you know it means quality, customization, and high-end products built for your needs. I'm Eric, I'm Fatfish Designs. We'll catch you on the next one.